After watching this video, you're going to be able to build a wine rack out of a wooden pallet. You will need 1 or 2 wooden pallets, a jimmy, a hammer and some nails, a jigsaw, sandpaper, your wine glasses, a countersink, and a tape measure. In the first working step, the pallet has to be sawed into 2 halves, a little over the stabilizer bar. The bigger half of the pallet has to be raised up. In the next step, you take out one of the boards in the middle of the smaller half of the pallet. For this, use your jimmy. Also remove all the nails of this board. Gather them in a container for later. Take your nail-free board, put it on top of the standing bigger half of the pallet and fix it with nails. In the next step, remove another board from the smaller pallet half. Also remove all the nails in this board. Then remove one of the little boards and saw it in the middle. All 3 boards that you've removed so far are now placed right next to the bigger pallet half, which is laid down now. Take the largest of your 3 boards and mount it on the underside of the bigger pallet half with some nails. Then mount the 2 smaller boards. Now take a look at the smaller pallet half. All components that are still available are now separated from each other. Also, all included nails are taken out. In this next step, you choose which kind of glasses you want to store in the rack. The distance of the holes in the pallet are adapted to the type of glasses you chose. In this shown case, we chose glasses for red wine. Now, determine the distance between 2 glasses with the help of a tape measure. Mark this distance with a pencil for all glasses. Then, drill holes into the middle of the board. These holes should be a little bigger than your marks. Then use your jigsaw to saw alongside the pencil marks. In this next step, the board you just used is now mounted on the underside of the rack. Take the endings of the 2 smaller boards that are now left and saw them in a 45-degree angle. These boards will be the decorative strip on the outside of the rack where they are mounted with some nails. In the last working step, the upper front panel of the rack can be sawn out. This is just for better storage of the bottles and for a nicer look. This already was the basic setup of the pallet rack. Of course, you can always add some decorative strips or features that you like. You can see how we did it in this picture right here. In the next video, we show you how we got this beautiful color and this wood structure. All working steps are shown right here. You can also find them on our website. Thanks for watching. For further information, please visit our website or get in touch with us.